Okay beginners, so this is the website that I will be showing you all how to make, and also in this video I will giving you all the demo images and the starter template to help you follow along in this WordPress tutorial. So let's first take a look at the header. So on the header we have a button and menus. We have also a logo. Under the menu we have a hero section where you can see a heading, a subheading, a description and a button which you can use to navigate to another page. Under this hero section you have a sign up form. You can add a sign up form, and here you can add any heading that you want to add. Here is some little information about our company and also about us page link or our team link. Here you can add your services. I have used a dummy text here, but you can add your services. Also we have a call to action form here. Scroll down. Here we have some other brief about our services. Here we show our expertise and why to choose us. Here we can use any video, and I will show you how to add a video in your WordPress page or blog. Again, here you have some counters, and you can share your clients, your projects you have done. Under the here you can add the companies you work for. Also we will add some blogs here, and at the end we will use some contact form or contact us page. This is a single page website. At the end we have created this footer where we have used contact us and give some details about our company. Here we have some social media icons, some links about our website and our services. Here we have used our company logo, some brief text about our company and contact. So that is the simple brief of website that we are going to create in this tutorial. So keep following our next videos to get step by step tutorial about building a new website with Divi.